Hi my dear children, once again good morning to all. Did you read the textbook? Did you understand about map and globe? Last class we were discussing about chapter 2, isn't it? About map and globe. So today is the continuation of our second chapter. So my dear students, listen carefully. So today we are going to deal with our directions. Otherwise some will say it as direction. Whatever may be, no problem. Direction. So as we all know, there are four directions. As we all know, there are four directions. North, south, east and west. And also along with the directions there are sub-directions. No need of studying the sub-direction, but just listen. That is, sub-directions are north-east, north-west, south-east and south-west. So once again listen carefully. We are dealing with our point directions. Directions are of four: north, south, east and west. Along with the directions, sub-directions are also there. Northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. So my dear children, listen carefully. Can you see one cross like this? Can you see? So we are going to identify the directions. Listen carefully. The topmost area is north. This topmost area is north and the bottom area is south. The topmost area is north and bottom area is south. And our right side indicates east. Our right hand side indicates east and our left hand side indicates west. Our left hand side indicates west. Our right hand side indicates east and top indicate north and bottom indicate south. Is this directions clear for you? North, south, east and west are the four directions. And whenever we are looking map or globe, whatever may be, the directions will not change. The important thing to be noted is that the directions will not change. When we look in the map and when we look in the globe, the directions will be same. So next we are moving with the next point, compass. We are moving with the next point, compass. I know you know only one compass, that is in our maths instrument box. One instrument is there. It is known as compass. This is not that compass. This compass means this is an instrument used by the sailors and the people traveling in the sea. This is an instrument. This compass is an instrument used by the sailors and also the people traveling in the sea. Why they are using this instrument, you know, my dear children? Just look this instrument. Just imagine this round as a compass. Compass is like our clock only. Two needles are there. And the up needles, top is north. This bottom is south. So when this sailors are traveling in the sea, they will keep this compass with them. And this compass needle always indicates north side. Whenever we take this compass, we can see that needle will show the north side. So if one direction can be identified, the sailors, those who are sailing, it will be easy for them to understand the remaining directions. It is easy for them to understand the remaining directions. The last point of this chapter, is hemispheres. What is that? Hemispheres. Hemi means half. Hemi means half. So listen carefully. This is a picture of an earth. Okay? And the imaginary line that cuts the earth, this is known as equator. That imaginary line is known as the equator, and this equator is the most important latitude. Is the most important latitude. And this equator divides the earth into two halves. This equator divides the earth into two halves, and the up is North Pole, and we can call it as Northern Hemisphere. And the downside is known as South Pole, and we can call it as Southern Hemisphere. This is the division of hemisphere. Hemisphere means half. We can divide this earth by the help of equator. We can divide it into two parts. Up is Northern Hemisphere and down is Southern Hemisphere. And other than that, this imaginary vertical line is known as prime meridian. Imaginary vertical line is known as prime meridian, and this prime meridian can be divided into two: Eastern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere. Eastern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere. So my dear children, by this our second chapter is over, and before winding the class, we were dealing with 4 points. 3 points. First was directions, second was compass, and third was hemisphere. So my dear children, you have to read the chapter very nicely, and after that, next class, after the video, I will be giving notes for you. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.